What are they doing in my hands? You guys, what is going on here? Oh, I see. They want to live inside this storage compartment. The queen probably just hasn't figured out how to get in, but that was, I'm sure, the intention. Let's check. Maybe there's a group inside. Okay, no, just a couple. So those bees are trying to tell everybody in the queen, hey, we found a good space to live. But we've got our chance to grab the queen before she can get inside, and maybe I'll get lucky and spot her. I don't see her, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna turn this more towards the sun. All right, scanning. All right, I don't, wait. Is that you, queen? No. Oh, I do see her. Where'd she go? I looked at the camera for 1 second. Did you guys see her? I saw her for the splittest of split seconds. Ooh, I think I saw her. I think I just saw her do a dive. Okay, first, I'm gonna scoop some. Gotta be gentle when you're doing this too, by the way. Anytime you're using some kind of apparatus to scoop them. Whoa! They're festooning! It's a bee bridge! What are they doing in my hands? Let's give these guys a little dab into the box. Now watch this. Let's close the box, bump them down onto the ground, and then they'll go running into the box. 2, 1. Now let's see if we can catch the queen before she gets in. Look at them run. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. They're so fast. They're so fast. Am I gonna get the queen before she runs in there? Oh my goodness. Holy moly, look how fast they're going. I was like, I know I didn't see the queen in there, so did she run into the box? And no, I done seen her over here. So she's still over here. She's right there. Let me know if you can see her. She's hiding right now, but she's got a brighter, slightly larger abdomen. And she really does not want to be caught. There she is. You see her? She just dove again underneath the bees. Come on, Queenie. It's inevitable. Oh, went for a grab and I missed. Whoop! Ah, wow! Yeah! Wow! Where'd she go? Okay, she's flying, and she landed. Whoop! She's flying again, and she landed, and she's flying, and she landed. Oh, thought I had her. Okay, got her. Golly. So wily. Alright, gotcha, little mama. I say little mama because she's definitely a virgin queen. Alright, got her. You gotta move quickly, but carefully when you got a wily queen like this. Alright. Now she goes in the box. I'm just gonna slide her in there. Normally I'd peg her to the ceiling, but should be warm enough tonight that I don't have to worry about them balling up around her from the ceiling. Alright. reason they are so eager to get in the box is because they are in swarm mode. And when they're in swarm mode, it's all about sticking together and staying with the queen. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and we will catch you definitely on the next one.